Good night, my love.
Good night.
I love you.
Love you too.
Babe, you know I was thinking.
Oh, wow. Now, I know that sound wasn't real, but that's hilarious. That is me and my wife. And we race now to see who gets to bed first. Typically now it's me, because that used to bother me. She could snore pretty loud. I guess I could snore pretty loud too. I have video of her and my other children snoring. They don't have video of me snoring where they say that I'm doing it, but I've seen them do it. But that's funny because yeah, we race to see who gets to bed first so the other one does not have to deal with the